Hi, my name is Chris Alfano, and I will be talking about the power of video conferencing and the positive impact it has had on our society. A video conference is a live connection between people in separate locations for the purpose of communication, usually involving audio and often text as well as video. At its simplest, video conferencing provides transmission of static images and text between two locations. At its most sophisticated, it provides transmission of full motion video, images, and high quality audio between multiple locations. Video conferencing has solved has had major benefits for businesses as well as personal users and has provided an easier and cheaper form of communication. Perhaps the major problem video conferencing has solved is making business conferences much easier to attend. All it takes is one click of a button and you are in the room with all of your colleagues. This video over here shows how video conferencing works. Continuing on to the beneficial impacts video conferencing has had, I want to explain just how significant it is being given the ability to connect, see, and hear from others all around the world. Personal users now can visually see family friends and family who live far away. This brings communication to a whole new level. Video conferencing also gives businesses the ability to interview potential candidates who are out of state or out of the country. They no longer have to pay to fly candidates to the business headquarters or for final interviews. This can all be done through video conferencing, which saves businesses time and a significant amount of money. This video I filmed on my phone was edited via YouTube editor and then uploaded to YouTube. It provides a personal example of how video conferencing was used for a job interview. So Andrew, what would you say the beneficial impacts of video conferencing is?
I'd say it's beneficial that you can communicate with people all across the world pretty much effortlessly. For example, my brother interviewed for a job in California via Skype and ended up getting the job without having to take a trip out there and potentially not end up making out on the deal. Hey guys.
Okay. Hey, Andrew, how are you?
Good. How you doing? How you like Florida?
Love it.
Good. You look tan.
Don't ever want to come back.
Yeah.
It is fabulous.
Yeah. Well,
It was 80 degrees today.
really, it's sleeting out here.
Yeah, I know. I'm in shorts and everything. I've worn shorts and a t-shirt every day.
Just to give an idea of how popular video conferencing has become, in 2015, video conferencing was an $11.2 billion market. It is estimated that by 2018, video conferencing solutions will reach up to $35.6 billion market. This chart explains how rapidly video conferencing has grown in over the years. 25% of people use video conferencing every day. 39% of people use video conferencing every week. And 21% of people use video conferencing every month. That's almost 1 in 4 respondents say they video conference every day. This chart over here shows that video conferencing has the highest industry of opportunity over other major industries such as telecommunications, customer service, education, and so on. This is a graph that I created using Google Forms. I provided friends and family as well as classmates with a link to the survey so they were able to answer it on their cell phones or computer with ease. 75% of respondents believe video conferencing has had a considerable impact or higher on society. Although video conferencing has had numerous positive impacts, the one industry it has negatively affected is the air travel industry. Less people need to travel to attend conferences, and business-related travel has declined ever since. This has been an ongoing issue that air travel industries have been trying to address, but they will have to face the fact that video conferencing is here to stay. The main purpose of video conferencing is interaction. Video conferencing programs accesses your device's microphone and camera that allows users to interact with one another. There are three main types of video conferencing. Point to point, which is a single call between two users. Multi-point, which consists of three or more users. And lastly, streaming, which connect your video conference to others who can watch it live or play it back later. Here is a picture that shows how point-to-point video conferencing works. Internet has played a crucial role in video conferencing success. It is the largest network used for video conferencing platforms. High-speed internet has become more widely available at a reasonable cost, which in turn has made video conferencing more available. Without the internet, video conferencing wouldn't be anywhere near as popular as it is today. This video explains how video conferencing has become more accessible than ever before. Video conferencing uses your device's data and metadata in order to properly function. The data from each user's device is transmitted to one another and then transforms via data sharing, which gives the call the ability to connect. Although video conferencing is mostly safe, there are still security concerns that users should be aware of. Data transmission is the most vulnerable area of video conferencing security. The most significant mistake users and companies make is placing the system directly on the internet. To ensure basic security, users should put the system behind a firewall. Some of the most helpful resource references that I found useful was this one by Alexis Writing, What are the benefits of web conferencing for businesses? And as well as a history of video conferencing. Both gave me some great insight. The other links did as well, but these definitely helped me the most. I believe that wraps up my presentation. I hope everyone enjoyed hearing the power of video conferencing and all of the beneficial impacts it has had on our society. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day.